The rest of the today's project, getting rid of rodents in an attic space. First thing I would do is clean it up. The rest of the today's project, getting rid of rodents in an attic space. First thing I would do is get rid of anything they've been chewing on, eating on, or trying to live in. To just clean it up to let them know that they're not welcome. So that's what we're going to do. Diversity 2, getting rid of rodents. See what's going on here. Droppings all over the place. They're living up here. Gotta get rid of any trash boxes, stuff that they like to chew on. This is inside of a attic space with the AC unit. Over here we have a skeleton of something. I don't know, a raccoon up here or what's eating. That looks like a head and like a small dinosaur to me. Weed or chemical sprayer, bug sprayer. Just going to take and put some water in here. Add some bleach. You can also put these glue traps down. I used these before and they work fine. You want to enhance your trapping procedure, or you want to catch them. So these glue traps work very good.